Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Janice. Today I will show you how to link Instagram and Facebook. Okay, and Facebook to Instagram, basically Instagram to Facebook and Facebook to Instagram, how to link for your Facebook page. So first of all, you need to go into your Facebook page. I am now in my Facebook page. I have just created this Facebook page, Janice Ong Training and Consulting. Okay. And then I will need to come over here, the icon at your right hand side. Then go to settings and privacy. Go to settings. Okay. Scroll down. Okay, under permissions here, you'll see this link account. Click on it. And then this Instagram. I have actually connected to my Instagram. This is the one that you need to click on. Let me disconnect. Okay, disconnect. And then no Instagram connected, so you need to connect it. Okay, basically it's this link account. Yeah, let me refresh. Not connected. Okay, now go down. Link account. Instagram not connected, right? You need to connect account. Then you need to sign into your Instagram account. Click on the connect account. Allow access to Instagram messages in inbox and click continue. Okay, then you need to log in. Log into my account. Okay. Basically you need to log into your own Instagram account and then click continue. Basically it's connecting Facebook to Instagram, both profiles to your business profile. They also will manage your profiles even with more advanced tools like Meta Business Suites and Security Assign and other people access and other things. So you just click continue, so you can actually manage profile and business suites and all that. Both account, and then it will send a message to your WhatsApp message. You need to actually check your WhatsApp message for the code. To to verify that you own your account. Okay, now Instagram is connected. Okay, my Facebook page is now connected to my Instagram account. Done. Okay, so now this is connected. This is how to connect your Facebook page to Instagram. To have the connection between Instagram and Facebook to Instagram. Basically, is this. So I can actually manage my Facebook page and Instagram at the same time. Okay, so I can manage my Instagram, easy access, and allow access to my Instagram messages in my inbox as well and all that. So manage accounts can actually do quite a lot of things. Yeah, over here. Content, ads, insights, messages, comments, settings, and permission, and all these things. So that's how to connect. Yeah. If you like my video, please do click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more future tips. Another thing is to uh, follow my Facebook as well and my Instagram. Basically, I just created this new Facebook page and my Instagram account. I'll put them in my link in the YouTube description, and you can actually click to follow them. Thanks. Okay, this is my page, Facebook page. Okay, Janice Ong Training and Consulting. Okay, I just created it. So yeah, to follow me, thanks.